Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick revision capsule, we'll revise the most important environment related conferences, conventions, agreements, protocols, COPs, that is Conference of Parties, and key international organizations. These topics are highly important for UGC NET JRF Environmental Sciences, GATE, UPSC and other competitive exams. So let's begin. So first here is major environment conferences. Our journey begins with the major global environmental conferences. Stockholm Conference 1972 marked the beginning of modern environmental governance and led to the creation of UNEP, that is United Nations Environment Programme. The Rio Earth Summit 1992 introduced Agenda 21, UNFCCC, CBD and Forest Principles. Here UNFCCC stands for United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change and CBD stands for Convention on Biological Diversity. Next, Johannesburg Summit 2002 focused on implementing sustainable development, while Rio Plus 20 in 2012 laid the foundation for the Sustainable Development Goals through the document The Future We Want. You can tap the slide to pause the shot and use the clear screen option to read the information provided in the slides in more detailed manner. Now next is major convention and agreements. So here major international convention and agreements are: remember Ramsar for wetlands, CITES for endangered species trade, Vienna Convention for ozone protection, Basel Convention for hazardous waste, UNFCCC for climate change, CBD for biodiversity, UNCCD for desertification, Rotterdam for hazardous chemicals, Stockholm Convention for POPs and Minamata Convention for mercury pollution. These are among the most frequently asked international agreements in competitive exams. I am not discussing the full form of each of them because that you can read in a more detailed manner by pausing the shot. So next is, now let's revise the important protocols related to environment. The Montreal Protocol is considered most successful environmental agreement for protecting the ozone layer. Kyoto Protocol introduced legally binding emission reduction targets for developed countries. Cartagena Protocol deals with biosafety. Nagoya Protocol focuses on access and benefit sharing of genetic resources, and the Nagoya Kuala Lumpur Protocol addresses liability and redress. Don't forget the Kigali Amendment, which aims to phase down HFCs, that is hydrofluorocarbons. Next is Paris Agreement and COP, that is Conference of Parties. The Paris Agreement, adopted at COP 21 in 2015 under the UNFCCC, aims to keep global warming well below 2 degrees Celsius while pursuing efforts to limit it to 1.5 degrees. Remember the important COP milestones: COP 21 for the Paris Agreement, COP 26 for the Glasgow Climate Pact, COP 27 for the Loss and Damage Fund, COP 28 for the UAE Consensus, COP 29 for the new collective quantified goals on climate finance, and COP 13 Belém, Brazil, which held recently in last year. For more details regarding COP 1 to COP 30 till now, you can go to my post on my channel. I have attached a post regarding that, because in this short I am just discussing most important COP. Next is organizations and secretariats. These global agreements are supported by important organizations. UNEP provides environmental leadership, UNFCCC coordinates global climate action, CBD works for biodiversity conservation, Ramsar Secretariat promotes wetland conservation, IPCC provides scientific climate assessments, while GEF and the Green Climate Fund finance environmental and climate related projects worldwide. So here's the final revision table. Focus on the year, place, objective and type of each conference, convention, protocol, agreement and amendment. Remember the memory tricks and high yield exam points. They'll help you recall important facts quickly during the exam. That's the complete revision of the most important environment related conferences, conventions, agreements, protocols, COPs and organizations. If you found this capsule helpful, then kindly like, share it with your friends and subscribe to Science Pathshala for more high quality revision capsules. Keep learning, keep growing and all the best for your exams. Thank you so much.